Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. So, last episode, we got an annoying ass gold bolt, and we made it here to the raceway thingy. So now, I'm gonna get on my hoverboard, man. Shit, I missed the boost thingy. Shit, fuck. Okay, I forgot how loose the controls are. You can go like obnoxiously fast in this race. I remember. Ooh. This is probably like my least favorite part of the entire game. It's not like fight enemies. It's not like solve a puzzle or something. No, it's fucking race. I'm sucking absolute ass at this. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh. That almost ended poorly. So yeah, you could like... Fuck. Oh, sorry. You can control how high you jump. Oh, that's bullshit. These guys aren't affected by the amiibos, or not amiibos. Whatever the boogers. They're not affected by the boogers. These little fucking booger fucks. They do nothing to these guys. It's so hard to try and beat this while like talking. I shit you not. This is taking like 1,000,000% of my brain. Which, to surprise some people, yes, I have a fully functioning one. Oop, fuck. Shit. Dicks! Third place, son of a bitch. Okay, so to beat these you have to get first. Oh, I accidentally did a high jump. Come on. Come on, come on. Hoo-yo. Hoo-yo. Wait, does killing them give you a speed boost? Is this like a thing that I'm just now learning? And if not, like, just now learning, now remembering. Oh, fuck. I missed. Son of a bitch. This is probably gonna be the reason why I lose. Come on, I have to get first. It's okay, we're only on the second lap. And I missed that thing. Oh, fuck my ass. Oh, goddamn it. That wasn't worth. This is the one time in the game where I really don't like the controls. They are way too slippery. And I got third place again. Shit. On several kinds of bricks. Okay, so that immediately like gives me the high jump. Awesome. Come on. Hit it. Oh, come on. That is like new levels of bullshittery. Come on. I'm in fifth. Yeah, just I'm not even gonna bother with the fucking ramp anymore. Come on. Fuck you, boxes. Who you? Come on. Oh, I didn't jump. Fuck it. Come on. Ah. Come the fuck on, slippery ass controls. Oh, fuck! No! I'm probably gonna lose. No, come on. God damn it. I hate so many things. I'm sorry for this episode. It's mostly gonna be like a lot of a lot of repeating. Dicks. Come on. I did always fear like this part. I was like, oh damn, this is gonna be like super hard. Fuck. Let's see. Continue. I thought like you could restart if you fucked up but hard enough. As you may know of, the fuck it adjustment. Where you simply just say, fuck it. Oof. This is a bad time to like scratch your face. To scratch my face. God, I keep trying to go for that fucking thing. I just gotta like ignore it from now on. Come on. Last lap. Last lap. God fucking damn it. That's probably gonna be the reason why I lose. Fourth fucking place. God fuck everything. Okay. Not too certain in my skills right now. Or lack thereof. Come on, come on. Hey, I've remained complacent. Alright. Slippery ass controls. Eat a dick. So basically to win like first place, you either A, have to cheese the AI, or B, hit every like speed panel ever. Because doing that will give you all the goodness. It'll give you all the good speed. It'll show you to a shady corner, tell you about a guy named Frank. Don't ask where he gets all the speed from, but he will give you all the good speed. I also hate how like the environment doesn't even like begin to affect the fucking other racers. Alright, just get that other fuck. Alright, I'm gonna... Okay, yeah, they do give you a speed boost. Come on. Come on, come on. Fuck! Dicks. Do you ever hit that moment in video games where you just run out of, like, curse words to say, so you just, like, start seething furiously? Yay, complacent. This episode's gonna be, like, extra long. Giggity. I will, like, beat this. Come on. Okay, this is still fun. Okay, this is less fun. But still works. Come on. I'm not gonna fuck up. As I say that, I probably jinxed it. Come on, I'm in first place. I just have to, like, maintain. Nope. I can't go for anything risky. I'm even okay with going slow. What the fuck? Why'd I slow down? Come on. Come on, come on. Ah, itchy head. Whew. Ooh, I thought I was gonna hit that. Ooh, come on. Oh, yes! 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 Oh, fuck. Yes, keep fucking talking. Thanks, douche.
This hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have tonight. Remember to set your info pods to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you, and have a Quark-tastic day.
Alright, so I'm gonna end this episode here now. Hope y'all had fun. I did. Bye.